Hi, I am Felix and this is my project, the parts of the aeroplane. The fuselage is the made up the front of the cockpit to the tail of the aircraft. The aircraft doors they always both the pilots and the passengers to the board. The cockpit is where the pilots the control of the aircraft. The cabin where the passengers or the flying attendants. The wings are the what allow the aircraft to fly on the land. The winglet takes the wings of the airplanes the wings. The elastic increase the lift in the addition to the facilitating the control of the large movements of the aircraft. And the spoilers reduce the wind the lift and increase the aircraft the drag the helping to the decelerate. The flaps increase the lift during take-off as the wind has approached and the landing. The theory the aileron they carry out the thrust of the plane the boat they see the through at the rolling motion. The tail is used to the made of the very the pilot the heading. The horizontal stabilizer is unit to reduce the aerodynamic to seat the slip. Rudder. The rudder can make the overbearing the float the heading in the heading. Elevator. Rotate the aircraft the around is the layer while exit out the take on the landing. The rolling, the fishing, and the J-wing are the movements the aircraft make. Rolling, J-wing, and pitching. In the landing, use the usage to move the aircraft and ease the from the boat the take of the landing. And thank you very much for attention.